Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and I am back today to share with you guys 3 new pairs of these very gorgeous Audrey shoes from VIVAIA, our favorite. So as we know, it's VIVAIA, so that means these shoes are going to be practical, comfortable, cute, cleanable, eco-friendly, and still pretty fashionable. So let's go ahead and look at the 3 pairs of Audreys I have to share with you guys. These are all new designs. The first pair I have to share is this gorgeous butter yellow. Obsessed with this color. And these shoes have this adorable little, I think it's called a quokka on it. This is an endangered species line, which, ugh, anything with animals, so cute. And he's holding a little flower. Look how sweet. The next pair we have has a little puffin, and he's got a flower too. Look how cute. And it's also in this really gorgeous like goldenrod yellow tone. Beautiful color. And then this next pair, it's almost not fair. These can't be beat. They're absolutely my favorite because they have lots of animals on them. Look at them all. This is specifically a pair that has lots of endangered animals embroidered on it, and it's just so cute, and it's in this really beautiful soft sage green. So let's talk about the Audrey shoe. There are a lot of great things that went into the making of this shoe. It's antimicrobial and breathable, great for spring and summer, which I know, at least where I live, it's covered in snow outside, but we will have warmer days ahead. And then it is made with recycled materials. Love that, keeping things out of landfills. It's also machine washable, which, if you're as clumsy as I am, that is an amazing benefit. And then let's talk about my absolute favorite detail of this Audrey shoe. It is something I wish every single shoe had. There is a heel pillow in the back rim of this shoe. Every spring, without fail, the second I pull my flats out of my closet, the back of my heel is just littered with blisters and band-aids and blister tape and chafing sticks. Nothing seems to actually work and stay in place to prevent it. I am so excited for this. Like a couple of the shoes I showed you in the fall, the Audrey folds in half, very easy, very snug and small. These would be great for packing for travel. With travel in mind, I also want to point out to you guys the arch support that comes in each Audrey shoe. As you can see, there is this gel cushion underneath your heel, which is a big deal for me. My heels get so sore. And there's also this arch support that is super cushy and comfortable, padded in all the right places. Now for the fun part, let's go ahead and style these with some of my winter to spring transition wardrobe. If you'd like to get your foot in something comfortable and cute for spring, definitely check out VIVAIA. I'll have everything linked in the description bar down below, and you can use my code PHENOM for, I think that's 10% off. And I'd love to know which kind of critter you'd like to see on these shoes next. I'm feeling like a parrot, something colorful and tropical. And as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you next time.